for some time. Can't stop staring at those oceans.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Haley, and welcome back if you've been here before. And today, I have been at Lowe's picking up some more stuff for the tiny house. And I know you all enjoyed these vlogs, so I thought I would do another one for you all. And a little bit of a tiny house update. So, right now, we just got out of Lowe's, and I got some footage for you all of what we was doing, because I was picking up some, well, we looked at picking up some more stuff for the walls, but we didn't find exactly what we needed, so we're going to try another place tomorrow. And we picked up trim for the walls, and we also got some stuff to build a desk. But yeah, so I'll play the footage of us in Lowe's, or Isiah and me acting really stupid trying to find stuff. But that's besides the point. So the rest of the vlog will probably be stuff of us working on it tomorrow. And yeah, so I will see you all in just a second. Oh God. Good job.
Listen, A, 2 4s.
I'm gonna shoot her in the face. Quit videoing me. I'm so aggravated with you.
We're just looking for trim.
Yeah, looking for trim 35 minutes.
Got the big guns today.
Stop.
No, never. Oh, no. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So, we're front porch sitting right now. And we got breakfast from DQ. But today is a busy day. Big day for us, right? Mm-hmm. Right. So, like I said in the last clip, we went to Lowe's last night and they didn't have exactly what we needed, but we got some stuff. But today we picked up some, what was it, screws, wood glue, stain for the trim, and we picked up some, the panel board. So we got, over here, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. We got 10 pieces, or 8 pieces of plywood board, and then we got 2 pieces of a different width of plywood right there. So now we're just eating breakfast, and we're gonna get started. It's about, what is it, almost 11 now?
It's about 10:30.
Yeah, 10:30 or 11. So we'll talk to you in the next clip.
Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes.
Right now, as you can see, this is one that's not been stained, and this one has been stained. I really like the color right now, and I'm using the side that's like has more knots on it. There's bees everywhere. And this is a stain I'm using. This is Minwax Wood Finish Penetrating Stain and Dark Walnut 2716. And yeah, so I paid like $10 for that stain. And these slats of wood were $4 or something a piece. So that's what we're doing. And Isiah is cutting the wood for the inside to go underneath the windows. He's cutting this piece right now. Still hasn't finished it.
Something precise, you gotta make your woman happy.
Yeah. So, I don't know if I gave you an update between now and the last time I filmed, but I have put some of the walls up, like over here towards the kitchen is not done yet. This area, these two walls we framed up. The whole back room is pretty much done except for right here. And we're extending the loft out today. And this piece is all it needs done. Yeah. He's so excited. How hot is it right now?
It's about 1,000,000 degrees.
So, that's what's going on. Do you even know how to use it?
Do you know how to use it? Nah, shut up. You vlogging?
Yes. What are we doing now, sir?
Hey, sir, but we're cutting some more plyboard, putting a little hole over. I have a little farmer stand on it.
Yeah, we'll do hardwood. This is what the trim looks like so far. This just has one coat on it, still drying. I really like how this looks, so I don't know if I'll end up putting a second coat on it. I think it looks pretty good. I kind of like how it's with the knots and stuff in it. It looks very farmhousey. So there she is in all her glory. Yeah, so.
You want your walls to fall down?
No.
That's what I thought. I broke your glass.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I didn't. Put it right here. Same thing right here. Same thing right here. Right here. Right here. And right here. Right here. Right here. Took us a long time. Shouldn't have took us that long, but we ran out of supplies kind of. We had to just run over the whole county a little bit. But
And we put an air conditioner
yeah, we put in the air conditioner.
because it's hot. And then the whole back.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot. Put this up.
Looks awful.
It does look bad, don't it? Hey, you're the one that cut it, so I'm not coming.
Yeah, my fault, sorry. And we haven't put the insulation. We're waiting to get the insulation to put in these two walls, and then we'll put the framing on the back down. And then, as you can see, the loft is still not put out, but we got quite a bit done. The kitchen, I still have to go to get insulation for it and my chicken lot. Yeah, that's good. Nice. And then, yeah, that's what it is. So this is what it looks like right now. It's starting to look like kind of a house. It looks a little patchy right now because we've used some different like board cuts and stuff. So, ooh, look at that. Fancy. Okay. So, here it is. Yeah. So that's what we did today, and I'll see you in the next clip. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Another tiny house vlog for you all. We hope you enjoyed the video. It's gonna be a lot of time lapse, but whatever. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Hello.
Big one. This one.
Yeah.
That one.
And
Here's your face.
and if you want to subscribe, turn on your post notifications. So if you want to see any more tiny house videos, you'll be notified when they are posted. And yeah, there should be another one up soon because I'm going to try to get this done as soon as possible. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.